It is not reasonable that you have not heard about motion graphics as living in 21st
Graphic. MG is the abbreviation of motion graphic. Motion graphic are pieces of digital footage or animation.
You're not aware that life has been full of MG. In China, Apple's dot-to-line advertisement. Unconsciously, MG has been applied into film titles, videos and business advertising, refresh people with flat designs. So, which software can be used for making MG animation? Do we need software like AI, or C4D to make MG animation? Actually what you need is the only Animus, the animation video maker with simple steps. Quickly make MG animation without rich information. Google it, use it for free. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscription button.